All right, so now we're going to look at some of the breakpoints that Bootstrap 4 uses. So what I mean by this is the media queries, the size of the width of the device or the screen that they use for their breakpoints. So for medium, large, things like that. So in 2_8 breakpoints.html, in the head we have the style tags with some empty media queries. So first one we're going to look at is for small devices. So we're going to say in here min width. So min width is going to be 576 pixels. And then when we hit that breakpoint, just to give you an example, just to show you, we're going to change the body background to red. Okay, so that's for small devices. For medium devices, we're going to have a min width of 768 pixels. And for that, we're going to change the body. Let's change the background to blue. And then for large devices, we're going to do 992 pixels. And we'll change the body. Let's do background green. And then finally for extra large devices, we're going to have a min width of 1200 pixels, and for that we're going to do a yellow background. Alright, now Bootstrap does sometimes use the other way, and they use max widths. So for extra small devices, max width would be 575 pixels, and for small devices we would have a max width of 767 pixels. I'm not going to add any properties for these, I'm just showing you the sizes. And we do max width. Notice it's just one below the min widths, so this would be 991 pixels. And then this one here for large desktops would be max width 1199 pixels. Alright. Now it turned red because right now we're in this right here, min width 576, which is basically small screens. Extra small is going to be white. Then we hit small, then we hit medium, which is going to be blue, then we hit large, which will be green, and we hit extra large, which will be yellow. Alright, so those are the different breakpoints, and this is useful if you want to create your own styles, your own media queries, things that happen you know, when the screen's medium or whatever, and there's no predefined classes for it or anything like that. Alright, so that's going to be it for this lecture and for this section. So in the next section we're going to start to get into CSS components, we're going to look at buttons, nav bars, and all that good stuff.